Hello awesome people, welcome back to a complete tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you step by step how to create a professional business website using WordPress free theme and plugins. So if you want to make a business website for your own or your clients, then this tutorial is perfect for you. Before watching the video, please subscribe the channel to get more videos on WordPress. Okay, let's get started. This is the fresh WordPress installation where I am going to build the business website. So I am going to the admin dashboard and hover over on appearance, then click on themes, click on add new and type here responsive. Okay, this is the theme which I am going to use to build the website. So click on install. The theme is installed. Now click on activate. Successfully the theme has been activated. Okay, very fast. You can see thank you for installing responsive. You can get a fully functional Redis site with responsive. Browse 100 plus Redis site template, install the responsive starter template plugin to get started. That means you can install the starter template from here, as well as you can install the starter template from the plugins. Okay, so hover over on plugins and click on add new. Just type here responsive starter template. Responsive starter template. This is the starter template, which is one of the most popular starter template. So click on install, then click on activate. Okay, the starter template has been activated. Now you can see responsive options just above the appearance. Okay, just responsive and hover over on it, then you can see getting started and responsive template. Just click on it, responsive template. Okay, now you can see there are starter templates. Some of them are pro and some of them are free. Okay, now I am going to use the free template. So click on this down arrow, then you can see all free and premium. So I select free. Okay, this is the free template and I am going to build a business website. So I choose the business starter template and this is the business starter template and click on preview. Very fast you can see import site and import template. If you want to import only this template, that's mean the home page, then you can click on template, but I want to import the full site, so click on import site. Then you can see importing corporate business site, installing required plugin. Yes, I want to install all plugin. Then delete previous import. Actually this is the fresh WordPress installation, so I have to delete the previous content. But if you want to import demo data in your existing site, then you can uncheck it. Okay, this is the fresh installation, so I want to check this box. Then import content and import customizer setting is default selected. Now click on import site. It will take some time, please wait until the finish. Okay, finally the demo data has been imported and you can see the launch site. So click on this button. Okay, this is the site. Now this site is completely ready for customization. Okay, first of all I have to reset the permalink, so I go to the admin dashboard, just remove it and hover over on settings, click on permalink and select this post name. Okay, then select this permalink structure, then save change, refresh the site. Okay, now first of all I will show the site layout. If you want to change the site layout, then you can change it from the customizer option. So I go to the admin dashboard and hover over on appearance and click on customize. Very first you can see the global setting, just click on it. Then layout, you can change the site layout from here. Right now site width is content, you can change from it from here full width. If you select and publish it, then the site layout has been changed. Okay, the site layout has been changed. Actually I like the content, so again select content and publish it. Then go to back and button, you can change actually the button font family and font size, line height from here. Actually I don't to change it. Then go to the customize option and this is the color background, just click on it. Then you can change the background color from here. So background color, click on it, select color. The background color has been changed. You can change the background color from here. Just scroll down, then you can see the box background color. Actually this is the blog page background color. So if you click on blogs, okay, this is the blog page, and if you want to change this box background, then you can change from here. Just click on it and then change the color and publish it. Refresh the page. The box background color has been changed. Actually I want to keep the default color, so just go here and select the box color and click on default. As well as I want to select the default background color, so click on it and click on default and save it and refresh the page. Okay, this is the default background color. Now if you want to change the main menu, like if you want to add a page and you want to add the page into the main menu, then you can do it from the admin dashboard. So go to the admin dashboard and hover on pages and click on add new. Just give a page name. Just I want to give privacy policy and publish it. Then I want to add this page into the main menu. So I go to the admin dashboard and hover on appearance, click on menus. Now I can close this page menu, and this is the main menu. So this is the privacy policy whose page I have created right now. Okay, so click on it, then add to menu. This is the privacy policy and display location, click on it, header menu and save the menu. Refresh the page and this is the privacy policy. Okay, so now you can create a new page as well as you can add the page to the main menu. Then again, if you want to change the header style and header color, then you can do it from the customizer option. So again I go to the customizer option, just go to the back, just scroll down, then you can see the header. Okay, just click on it. First of all you can check it, transparent header, click on it. Then you can see the transparent header is activate. Okay, if you want to change the transparent header and if you want to give a header background color, then you can do it. Just uncheck this transparent header and publish it and refresh the page. Then again you have to uncheck this page. Okay, the transparent header has been removed. Now if you want to give a background color, then you can do it. So go to the customizer option, so click on header, then the primary header, just scroll down and then you can see the background color. You can change the background color from here. Refresh the page, the main header background color has been changed. Then again, if you want, then you can change it from here. Okay, actually I want to keep the default style, that means I want to keep the transparent header. So go to the customizer again, then transparent header, and check this box and publish it. So again refresh this page, and this is the default header style. Now if you want to change this the footer content, then you can do it with Elementor. So you have to edit the page with Elementor. So click on edit with Elementor. Your site does not have a default kit, so you have to regenerate the kit. So click on recreate kit, just regenerate all files and data, click on it and synchronize library and regenerate kit and save changes. Then again refresh the page, just scroll down, then you can change the footer content from here. Okay, this is the footer content, click on it and you can change the text from here, as well as you can insert the link here, and you can change the background color. Just click on the section and click on setting, style and background color. You can change it from here. Actually I don't want to change the color, I want to keep the default color. Okay, so again click on it. This is the background color and background overlay. You can change from here. Right now I can close this page again. So you can change header and footer. Okay, then again this is the home page. If you want to customize or change the home page content, then you can do it with the Elementor. So again click on it, edit with Elementor. Very first section, actually it called the banner or hero section. So if you want to change the background image, just right click, then you can see the navigator, click on it. Very first section has been selected, so click on it, style, then you can change this background image from here, as well as you can change all content from here. Just click on it, then you can see this is the content. Okay, and this is the button. If you want to change the button text, button color and button link, then you can do it. Just click on it, and this is the default style. You can change the button style from here. Okay, info, successes, warning and danger, I want to keep default. Then the get started, just I want to keep here contact us, just the text has been changed. And link, okay, I want to insert a link here, my contact page link. So just click on contact and copy this URL, contact, select and paste here. Okay, then update it. Go to the home page and click on it, contact us. Then you will be redirect to the contact page. Okay, then again go to the home page. Same way you can change this, learn more, this button, text, link and color. Okay, Then the next section you can change it from here. Just click on it, then you can change the background color from here as per you need. You can change background color and content. This is the very super easy. You can change each and every content with the Elementor. And this is the background color, column background color. Click on it, then change the background color from here. Okay, the same way, this is the overlay image. Just click on it. This is the image overlay. Click on it and change the image. Just I want to give this image. The image has been changed and you can see a video icon. So click on video, and this is the YouTube video. Okay, just go to the YouTube and just go to the YouTube right here, WP handy, then go here and just click this video. Okay, and this way you can copy this video URL and insert here. Okay, then update it. The same way you can change each and every content with the Elementor. This is the image gallery. Click on it and change the image from here. This is the service area. You can change it from here. Okay, and this is the column background, XLE box, shadow and color. You can change from here. And this section has background image. Just click on it, then you can change this background image, remove it, or you can add it from here. And this is the frequently asked question. Click on it, just click on it, and then you can change it from here. So each and every page content you can edit with the Elementor. Okay, the same way you can change or edit the about us page as well as the service page and contact page. Okay, and this is the blog page. Actually you have to set the blog page from the admin dashboard. So go to the admin dashboard again and hover on settings and click on reading. Then you can set home page and blog page from here. Okay, so within a very short term, like less than half an hour, you can build a very professional business website. I think this video will be very helpful for you. So I request you, please subscribe the channel and stay with us. Thanks for watching the video.